So, Tesla drops a couple of super cryptic posts on social media, and boom, the internet just explodes with speculation. What are they about to announce? Let's dive in and unpack what might just be the most obvious secret in the auto industry right now.
It all kicked off with just this, a spinning hubcap. Then we got a little glimpse of some new headlights. I know, it's not a lot to go on, but with Tesla, a tiny clue can go a very long way. So what in the world are they teasing?
Welcome to Money Flow IQs, where money meets learning. We empower individuals to master financial literacy for lasting stability. Our service equips you to make informed decisions about budgeting and saving. Join Money Flow IQs today to achieve your financial goals.
While theories are flying all over the place, our source material argues there's one that's basically a sure thing. A prediction so obvious, the source says you'd have to have, and I quote, rocks in your head not to see it coming.
Wow, you just don't see that kind of confidence every day, do you? This isn't some vague guess, it's a full-on declaration. The source is absolutely convinced we are about to see a brand new, more affordable version of Tesla's best-selling cars. So let's break that down. The prediction is a new vehicle, but, and this is the really crucial part, it's one that leverages the incredibly successful foundation of the Model 3 and Model Y to help bring that entry price down. Think of it less like a brand new book and more like a very, very important new chapter.
So why are they so confident? Well, it's because this isn't some random announcement out of the blue. Nope. This is the final move in a strategic game of chess that Tesla has been playing for over a year now. Let's look at how all the pieces fit together.
Okay, just look at how this all played out. First, back in 2023, the Model 3 gets that big fancy refresh, right? It gets premium features, moves up market. Then in 2024, the Model Y does the exact same thing. Just as that's happening, the US EV tax credit ends, which suddenly creates all this demand for cheaper options. And now, bam, the cryptic tease. It all just clicks into place, doesn't it?
This slide really says it all. By making the Model 3 and Y more premium, Tesla basically engineered a gap in their own lineup. They created the demand on purpose, and now it looks like they're finally ready to fill it.
Of course, I know what you might be thinking. But what about the Roadster? It's the other big theory making the rounds. And yeah, it's exciting, it's futuristic, but according to our source, from a pure business standpoint, it's mostly a distraction right now.
This comparison chart really clarifies the priorities inside the company. An affordable car, that's a needle mover. It's what drives massive sales volume and revenue. The Roadster, it's a cool side quest. An amazing piece of engineering for sure, but it's not the main event for the business.
And this quote just hammers the point home. As spectacular as the Roadster is going to be, it's a halo car. It's low volume. It's not the product that's going to get Tesla to its next million cars sold. That job belongs to a car that way more people can actually afford.
Okay, so if an affordable car is coming, that leads us to the biggest question of all, the price. But before we get our hopes up too high, our source says we need a little bit of a reality check on what affordable is actually going to mean, at least at first.
This really is the multi-billion-dollar question, isn't it? Are we talking about a game-changing revolutionary price, or is it going to be more of a modest adjustment? Well, the answer really comes down to how they're going to build it.
And here's the key detail. This new model is going to be built on existing, just modified production lines. It's an interim step. It does not use Tesla's radical unbox process. That's the revolutionary method of assembling the car in big, separate, pre-completed sections. That's where the massive cost savings will come from eventually, but that tech is still a couple of years away.
So, what does all that mean for the price tag? Well, the prediction is for an initial price drop of around 10 to 13% compared to the current models. Now, that's a significant reduction, absolutely, but it probably means we aren't getting that sub-$30,000 Tesla some people are dreaming of, at least not yet. But you know, a new car isn't the only major thing happening. The timing of this announcement is really fascinating because it's happening at the same time as something just as critical for Tesla's future, a shareholder vote that could really define the company for the next decade. And who better to deliver that message than Tesla's own humanoid robot, Optimus? The message is pretty clear. This vote isn't just some boring procedural thing, it's absolutely fundamental to the company's ambitious plans for the future. The source material makes a really powerful point here. If you own shares in a company, you're a part owner. And with that ownership comes not just a right, but really a duty to make your voice heard on the company's direction.
And Tesla has made it incredibly simple to do it. You can vote online through your broker, you can scan a QR code from the stuff they mail you, or you can even just make a quick phone call. It's that easy.
So here's the essential info. For most brokers, the deadline is November 5th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. You can find all the details you need at votetesla.com. The key takeaway here is simple. If you're a shareholder, you need to vote.
So we end on this. We have a potential new high-volume vehicle designed to completely expand their market, happening at the exact same time that shareholders are being asked to decide on the company's leadership and future. You really have to wonder, are we watching Tesla navigate its most important turning point to date?
Subscribe for more smart money ideas every week.